Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Hope you will be fine. In my last video, I told you about the primary colors and secondary colors. But friends, do you know the difference between them? What are the primary colors and what are the secondary colors? So let's start. Primary colors. Primary colors are the basic colors that can be mixed together to produce other colors. While the secondary colors is a color made by mixing of two primary colors. For example, red plus yellow becomes orange. Red and blue becomes purple. And blue plus yellow becomes green. Friends, did you ever create any secondary colors? Comment below. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.